If your energy bills keep climbing, your upstairs feels like an oven in July, and you're dealing with ice dams every winter, I gotta be real with you. The problem might be hiding right in your attic. Hey, it's Joe from Rapid Roofing, and today we're talking about poor roof ventilation and why it's one of the biggest threats to Long Island homes. Let's get into it. First things first, your roof has two types of vents: intake vents at the soffit and exhaust vents near the ridge. Fresh air comes in at the bottom, travels through the attic, and exits at the top. When that system is balanced, everything works. When it's not, heat and moisture build up, and that's when the real damage starts. That trapped moisture condenses on your roof decking, causes it to swell, soften, and sag. You can sometimes see it from the street as a wavy roofline. And that same moisture creates the perfect conditions for mold, which can affect your whole home. In winter, that trapped heat melts snow on your roof. It refreezes at the eaves, and you get ice dams. Those ice dams force water right up under your shingles and into your home. In summer, attic temps can hit 150 degrees, baking your shingles from underneath and cutting their lifespan nearly in half. Here's what to watch for: unusually hot rooms above the attic, musty smells on your upper floors, a wavy or sagging roofline, shingles curling or losing granules, ice dams every winter, and energy bills that won't quit climbing. If you're seeing two or more of those, it's time to call someone. Look, catching a ventilation problem early might cost a few $100s. Waiting until there's mold, rotted decking, and damaged shingles could cost you thousands. If you're on Long Island, give Rapid Roofing a call. We'll come out, take a look, and let you know the best path forward.